Guys, welcome back again to the vlog. This is Vic again, and right now we're going to do an unboxing of the T-Wolf USB gamepad that I purchased via Lazada. And let's go ahead and box this baby, and let's see if it's gonna give me a good impression. And also at the same time, we're going to do a little bit of gaming, so we could see if this USB gamepad is really 100% legit. Please stay tuned to the channel and please finish the whole vlog and check out if it's going to give you a really good impression as well.
Away to the sea, moving away, can't you see?
Alright guys, welcome back again to the vlog. So right now, as I promised, we're going to do an unboxing of the iTop USB wired PC controller. So this is it, and it came from Lazada. I ordered this last I think it was May 9, and it took May 10. Yeah, it says here. So and then it's right now it's already May 15. May 13, I believe. Not really sure. So we're going to do the unboxing for this USB wired controller. Actually, this is a PC controller. If you are into computer games like that, we're going to do and you'll be able to use this to play some of the games with ease. So, and there it's Lazada. All right, let's go ahead and unbox this one, and I'll get back to you once I unwrap this item. And this may take a while. Give me a minute or two. I'll get back. Okay. And the snap of my finger, this will be unwrapped already. Alright guys, here is the item. It's a T-Wolf game Joypad. So I was able to unwrap this a few moments ago. So here's the feature of this item. So it's a USB port, plug and play to internal motors, provide maximum vibration and feedback. That's a good thing. So, and then compatible with Windows 98, 2000 XP. Oh wow, it's a good thing. It's compatible with Windows 98 and then some other operating system, and then support DirectX demand, then various colors for optional. So here are some notes here: avoid high temperature. Okay. So for forward. So this is just a really basic controller, and it's a USB 2.0, by the way. So this is really nice. So by the way, before anything else, just want to commend Lazada in delivering this, because after I unwrapped the plastic package a while ago, it was covered with a really thick bubble wrap, and it makes the item really safe during the shipment, and it's really nice for them for not having the item to be damaged on its way. So this is good. So right now we're going to go ahead and try to make a review if this thing is really legit, because by the way, if you're going to add to the price of this one, it's costs around 299 pesos. So it's really cheap and affordable for a controller. So this seems like you're using a PlayStation 4 controller, but not. It's compatible for PC anyway. So since there's some buttons here that's just for PC anyway. So let's go ahead and do the review if it's going to work on some games. So let's go. All right. I forgot to tell you guys that I've just opened the package for this one, and everything seems crisp. It's brand new. But eventually it's really light. It's not that heavy. I don't know if the vibration is gonna work for this controller, but hoping it would, because that would be an extra factor considering this is a really nice item. So there you go, guys. It's a USB 2.0 as it's stated on the package itself. So everything's crisp, by the way, and no damage at all. Everything's good. Now, okay, let's try to make a review. This is doing great. So I'm gonna play some old games that I used to play. So let's see if it's going to work with those games. Alright, guys. Alright. The review starts now. Again to the channel. So right now we're going to do a review of this USB T-Wolf USB gamepad controller. So right now we're doing a Silent Hill gameplay by using this remote. So load, continue, start option, everything seems good. So let's try to play a little bit of games and let's see if it's gonna be giving a good impression. There we go. Let's go to reception. I'm just gonna go ahead a little bit here. So there you go, guys. You see the gameplay. There's the menu. Okay, the player walks, go backwards, and then stepping forward. Everything's good with this gameplay. It's firing a gun. Everything's good. As far as the controller is concerned, it may look cheap because it's really a bit of plastic. It's not that heavy, and it's really light. The controller seems responsive to the movements of the character. Everything's good. So overall, I can say, if you're going to give me a rating of 1 out of 10, I say I can give it a 9. The reason is that because the controller is not that an authentic feel if you're gonna have a grasp while it's in your hands while doing a gameplay. So, and also the vibration, I'm not really sure if it's going to work as well, because there's a dual shock between this in the middle, and as my expectation it would normally work, but I'll do this gameplay and I'll go ahead and give you a feedback if this dual shock or the vibration is gonna be working by doing this game. Gamepad seems really doing well. And again, guys, thank you again for supporting my channel. Again, this is Vic. Please like, comment, and subscribe and support Filipino YouTube channels. And thank you so much again for your support. And again, guys, watch out for my gameplay for this game, which is the Silent Hill, the continuation, which is I'm already at the hospital, and let's see what's going to happen after this. And thank you so much again for watching. Have a great day. Thank you. Stay safe and stay at home. Peace out.